In the market for a 2011 Ford Falcon.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a reliable engine.
Make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors, power windows, curtain head airbags.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.